Hey guys, Done Gaming Trends again. Welcome back to another video. Today we're on part 7, and today, as you can see over here, I've laid the last piece of track down. Everything else, I'm going to leave a little gap there because right there, because there needs to be more ballast there. But today we're going to be concentrating on doing the roads and that. You can see, I don't think you can see. We've already done the marking out. So yeah, paint I'm using is this matte black. I don't know how to say that word, but that's the paint I'm using. So there we go. Acrylic. Smells bad. So I'll get this paint mixed up and I'll be with you guys in just a sec. Okay, so we're ready to paint the roads now, so let's just put the camera here. So here's the road there. Get this out of the way. So let's just start by doing the edges and that. Do a bit of time lapse. So see you in a bit, guys. Okay guys, we're all done. As you can see, I've done most of the parts in that. So over here is going to be a car park, but although the station is going to go here, I might have to recalculate the path though, but yeah, I'm going to put a little path here. Might have to recalculate it though, because I just realised I might have put it too close and the platform is just a bit more wider, so yeah. So that's the paint job done. We're going to leave that to dry. So yeah, I think the next job, well, I suppose we can put a little bit of what can we put here? to be honest, I might put a little bit of brown paint there. Well, possibly some brown path there. So yeah, I think the next job is to do the grass and that, I think, but I much prefer I want to get this done first, so yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get that moulded, and so yeah, I'm going to do that off video because I ain't got much space left. So anyway, guys, that's a short video for part 7 today, because yeah, because I just want to get stuff done. So thank you for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.